Consider the simple art of mending and sewing your clothes to extend their lifespan, a skill our grandparents swore by for sustainable fashion. Learn how to stitch up small tears or reattach lost buttons with tools you likely already have around your home. Discover the magic of iron-on patches or fabric glue for quick fixes on worn-out areas like jeans or shirts. Find out how a simple needle and thread can save you money while letting you inject creativity into your wardrobe through personalized DIY designs. These handy tips not only save cash, but also offer a gratifying sense of accomplishment, knowing you've breathed new life into your beloved garments without a big expense.